Do a little measure out. Get your pelicans gliding. They just glide through the air. Gotta measure these out. We got 4 over here, 6 over there, but Pete's kind of stuck over there. These pelicans like this pier right here. They land on it. You got your ducks and all kind of stuff out here. It's pretty brave. I don't know how close I can get. That was flying soon. This is the end of the pier. They letting you know that so you don't run off of it. They have birds have shit on her so much till it's caused a lot of corrosion. A lot of corrosion and corruption. You got the old ducks and stuff. Ah! Ah! They not super scared. They just kind of leery. They got duck shit all over the place. That shit must be corrosive. Is that a handrail? They set on and shit till it's corroding the handrail. Mr. Pete gets that barge unstuck. He's stuck over there. Way over. He's trying to get her loose. He got the smoke rolling. Probably deep out here. You wouldn't want to drop your phone. That's what to tie the ships up to. Piece of the top over. Put her back into place. Got the beacon right there. You got a solar panel. Keep her charged. Little electrons. Got a dredge over there dredging. That's something that hit this one a little bit. That looks pretty fresh. And that rope kind of tied in there. That's the pole right there. Mr. Pete, he's trying to round that corner, but he's having trouble rounding it. Making a little headway. You got her wide effing open. That's just what happens when it happens. This thing is. Got a change going down there. Oh, it must be the measure the water depth, huh? We done scared all the birds off. You got all these people here working out on them dredges. This don't look too real good, but Pete, he's coming over. He got the black smoke rolling. I'm going up the lift. Fix the measure out. We get these 4, move over here. We got 5, we'll have 6 on the other side. You have to walk around on them barges and measure the height of it. That's just the way they do it. So them pelicans sail in. I don't know pelican language. I think that's part crow there. Well, this is the end of the dock right here. They tell you right there so you won't run off of her. Because if you used to come up here and slick poof, it wouldn't be no fun. All right, over and out.